The distinctive orange breast of both sexes contributed to the European robin's original name of redbreast. Orange as a colour name being unknown in English until the 16th century, by which time the fruit had been introduced. The robin is diurnal, although it has been reported to be active hunting insects on moonlit nights and near artificial light at night 18. Well known to British and Irish gardeners, it is relatively unafraid of people and drawn to human activities involving the digging of soil. In order to look out for earthworms and other food freshly turned up, the robin is considered to be a gardener's friend. And from the traditional association of the redbreast with the blood of Christ, 30 to the robin would never be harmed.